All right. So hopefully yesterday you heard me reading to you Big Ben and Westminster Palace. Today it's your turn to read. You have a couple options. You can read it quietly to yourself. You can read to a parent or a brother or sister, or you can partner read with a parent or brother or sister. Okay, so you have a couple options. Remember, as I go through the book, you're going to have to hit pause on each page. So just take the time you need to read that page, hit unpause, and go to the next page.